Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, you probably already know that financial freedom is a powerful, life-changing goal. You want to break free from the 9-to-5 grind, be your own boss, or simply live life on your own terms without constantly worrying about money. But how do you get there? What's the real, unfiltered truth about achieving financial freedom? I'm not going to sugarcoat it. This journey takes time, effort, and a solid mindset. But it's not as impossible as it might seem. Today, I'm going to give you my honest, realistic, and motivational advice on how to start this journey, because the truth is, it all starts with you. 1. Start with your mindset. First things first, you need to adopt a mindset that is aligned with the goal of financial freedom. This is where most people go wrong. They think they can just jump into the world of investments, passive income, or side hustles without first adjusting the way they think about money. Money is energy. If you've been conditioned to think of money as something that's scarce or hard to get, it's time to change that. Financial freedom starts in your head, not your bank account. You have to believe that you deserve financial freedom, and you have the ability to achieve it. That doesn't mean you'll get rich overnight, but it does mean that you'll approach every opportunity, challenge, and setback with the mindset of growth. 2. Get clear about your why. Before you even think about strategies for making money, figure out why you want financial freedom in the first place. It's not enough to say, I just want to be rich. If that's your only reason, you'll quickly lose motivation when the road gets tough. What does financial freedom mean to you? Does it mean spending more time with your family, traveling the world, starting a business that aligns with your passion, having the ability to donate to causes you care about? Whatever it is, be specific. Write down your goals and revisit them often. This will be your anchor during the difficult times. It will help you stay grounded and motivated when things aren't going according to plan. 3. Build financial literacy. Here's the thing. Financial freedom doesn't come from just making more money. It comes from managing it wisely. If you don't understand how money works, you'll always be chasing it. That's why financial literacy is one of the most important steps on your journey. Start by learning the basics of budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. There are endless free resources, books, blogs, podcasts, and YouTube channels that can help you grasp these concepts. A great place to start is with books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason, and The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley. Investing might seem intimidating, but trust me, it's essential. You can start small and learn along the way. It's about building knowledge and confidence over time. In the end, it's the little decisions you make daily that will add up to big results. 4. Master the art of budgeting. You cannot achieve financial freedom without understanding the flow of money in and out of your life. Create a budget, track your spending, and stop living paycheck to paycheck. I know it's tempting to buy the latest gadget, designer clothes, or take spontaneous trips. But if you're serious about financial freedom, discipline is key. Look, budgeting doesn't mean being miserable. It just means being intentional with where your money goes. Track every dollar and cut out unnecessary expenses that aren't moving you closer to your goals. This doesn't mean you have to eliminate all fun from your life. It's about spending smarter, not harder. A good budgeting method I recommend is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, utilities, groceries. 30% for wants, dining out, entertainment, shopping. 20% for savings and investments. This is the non-negotiable part. Even if you start with small amounts, the habit of saving and investing will compound over time. 5. Develop multiple streams of income. One income stream is not going to cut it if you want to achieve financial freedom. Diversify. The more sources of income you have, the faster you'll reach your financial goals. The first step is to optimize your current income. Whether you're working a 9-to-5 job or running a small business, maximize what you're already earning. Ask for raises, explore career advancement opportunities, and always be learning new skills to increase your earning potential. Next, create side hustles. The internet has opened up countless opportunities for side businesses. You could start a blog or YouTube channel like I did, sell digital products or courses. Become a freelancer in writing, design, or programming. Launch an e-commerce store. Remember, the key is consistency. Building multiple streams of income takes time and effort, but the payoff is worth it. 6. Get comfortable with investing. Investing is one of the most powerful tools for achieving financial freedom. But here's the catch. You have to start now. Whether it's the stock market, real estate, or alternative investments like cryptocurrency, don't wait until you're ready or wealthy to start. Start small. You can invest in low-cost index funds or ETFs with as little as $50 or $100 a month. These investments are a simple, long-term strategy that typically grow over time. And the earlier you start, the more you'll benefit from the power of compound interest. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, though. Diversify your investments to spread risk. Real estate is another great option. If you're not in a position to buy property right now, look into REITs, real estate investment trusts, which allow you to invest in property without owning it directly. The key to investing is patience. Don't expect overnight results. You have to play the long game. 7. Understand the power of time. Time is a non-renewable resource. In your pursuit of financial freedom, don't waste time. I've seen too many people waste years scrolling through social media or binge-watching TV shows instead of learning, creating, or growing. You don't have to spend every waking minute working, but use your free time to build yourself up. Spend your evenings reading books, listening to podcasts, working on your side hustle, or learning a new skill. The time you invest now will pay off in the future. If you're in your 20s or 30s, you have the biggest advantage: time. The earlier you start building wealth, the more time you have to compound your efforts. The goal isn't to get rich quick, it's to get rich slowly and steadily. 8. Stay consistent, be patient, and never stop learning. Finally, don't expect things to happen overnight. Financial freedom is a long-term journey, not a sprint. You're going to face setbacks, make mistakes, and experience frustration. It's all part of the process. The key is to stay consistent and keep learning. Stay humble, be open to new ideas, and adapt when necessary. Even the most successful people didn't get to where they are by taking shortcuts. They got there by working hard, staying disciplined, and always pushing forward, no matter what obstacles came their way. Financial freedom is absolutely achievable, but it won't come easy. It requires dedication, focus, and the willingness to learn and grow. If you take these steps seriously, you'll be well on your way to building a life that doesn't revolve around money. A life where money is simply a tool you use to create the freedom to live your best life. So if you're serious about financial freedom, start today. Invest in your mindset, start budgeting, learn to invest, and most importantly, never give up. It won't happen overnight, but if you stay consistent and focused, I promise you, the rewards will be worth it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you take the first steps towards the financial freedom you deserve. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Remember, your future starts now. Let's make it a good one.